Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we are featuring Love, Death, and Deadpool. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a chase figure from the Marvel Heroclix Deadpool Weapon X set, Deadpool and Death. Okay, and if you're familiar with the lore, Deadpool and Death has been lovers. So what will you do if the love of your life is Death? So anyway, you can see the sculpt here with Death on her throne, a very throne made out of flesh, and then Deadpool on her lap, massaging, caressing her head. Okay, that is so a Deadpool thing to do. Okay, so this one of the last figures actually I needed for my Deadpool Weapon X complete set. Okay, I'm still missing a couple more, so hopefully I can get them. But for now, let's look at Deadpool and Death. They have the Cosmic Team ability and the Mystics Team ability, and their keywords are Weapon X, X-Force, X-Men, Assassin, Cosmic, Deity, and Mystical. You can see that this is a 100-point piece that can move through walls and characters. Okay, so not break the walls, but just move through them. And he has a trait, which is Death's Domain. Shape change and power. If Deadfall and Death occupies an opponent's starting area, choose a game element on that opponent's sideline and remove it from the game. You score 10 points instead of that game element's cost. Okay, so I haven't actually played this figure, but this can be very powerful on a small map because there are a lot of ways to uh, move your figures into your opponent's starting area. Okay, and more so, you'll be able to power action the following turn to trigger that particular domain. Okay, it seems it smells like Jujutsu Kaisen kind of trait. And then the second trait is I can't die. Thanks, Thanos. When Deadpool and Death would be KO'd, if there is another friendly character on the map, you may instead place them in your starting area on click number 1 with 2 action tokens and the opponent scores them. So it's just infinitely uh, powerful because that means you're always gonna have to deal with this 100-point figure throughout the match. Unless, of course, he's the last one you're taking out or you're KOing. Okay, but not so bad because you already gained the 100 point if you do KO him. He also has the King of Underworld special defense power, which grants invincible and super senses. Okay, Wade Wilson and Death uh, appeared together in Deadpool The End number 1 2020. Okay, so doesn't have any stop click, but invincible that is untweetable with super senses can really go a long way in terms of staying power. Okay, so for 100 points, he alternates between a running shot Pensai probability control dial on 1, 3, 5, 7, and a charge blade senses exploit dial on 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so I actually like it. Might need to play test him. There are other characters that does something when they're on the starting area of the opponent, like King. What's this one? Uh, from the Masters of Time, King Jefferson, yeah, and then I think Old Man Logan from Deadpool Weapon X also has something to do with that being in the your opponent's starting area. Okay, so again, that is for our video. Share your thoughts on the comments. Love, Death, and Deadpool. Bye bye.